You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nursing with Annie on your screen. I film about nursing, health, lifestyle, and faith. I know I say I film about lifestyle, and that's the reason why I made this vlog. I've not really made a lifestyle video in a long while, and I decided to do that today. I had to gather all the strength I had to put up this vlog. So please watch, like, and subscribe. So you're welcome back. This is me filming like a get ready with me as a nursing officer in Nigeria. Don't mind the big grammar. As a nurse in Nigeria, this is like a get ready with me. Yeah, so you're welcome back to my channel. So this is me, a typical me. When I wake up, the first thing I do is to pray, which is very important. Like the Bible will say, command your morning, and that is what I do when I wake up. Like the first thing I do when I wake up, I had to command my morning. I had to set my day straight, and it's a Monday, so why not? So I pray, I do my devotion, communicate with God, which is very important, like very important. So this is me communicating with God, setting my day straight, and yeah. So next up, I begin to do the morning chores, sweeping the room, sweeping the kitchen, and everything that needs to be swept, every places that need to be swept. Yeah, trying to keep the room clean, which is part of my morning routine. So this is me trying to keep the room clean and sweeping as a normal human being would do to her room. Yeah, this is part of cleanliness. So this is me sweeping the room, trying to get things ready. If you can see, the weather is still very early in the morning, and yeah, I also drink water first thing in the morning, and I get ready by bringing out my uniform, brushing my teeth, taking my bath, and that is basically what I do in the morning. After having my bath, I rub my cream, I rub a Vaseline lotion. I really don't have a cream. I just go for whatever is convenient for my skin. But right now I'm using a Vaseline lotion for my skin. So yeah, look at how I'm glowing. And then I put my antiperspirant, which is like very important for me. I put on my earrings, and then I will dress up in my nursing uniform. I arrange my hair with my Mega Growth moisturizer, and yeah. Next up, I put on my canvas, my shoes. These shoes are like very comfortable for me because in nursing you're going to stand for hours. You are going to stand for a very long time, so you have to put on something you can be comfortable with or on, because you're going to be standing, attending to patients and all of that. So this is like my canvas for work. And then I spray my perfume. This is a chocolate mousse. And then I dive into my breakfast. Like, this is the important food of the day. You have to eat your breakfast to be able to have energy for the work that is ahead of you. So this is me eating bread and stew with tea, coffee and milk. And this part, my ring light went off. I had to make use of my phone torch. There was no light, so my ring light went off and I had to make use of my phone torch. This is me eating, trying to beat time because as a nurse you have to be early to work. You can't allow your patient care to suffer. Yes, you cannot allow your patient care to suffer. So this is me trying to eat so that I can get energy for the work that is ahead of me. At this point, I filled up my cup with hot water, and I don't know if I intentionally did that, but it was filled and I could not finish the tea, but I had to force myself. I cannot waste food, not in this economy. So this is me trying to finish up tea, checking my time to make sure that I'm not late for work. and I had to rub powder, to make my face glow somehow. Yeah, so I had to rub powder and I'm all dressed for work. This is me carrying my school bag, carrying every necessary things, putting on my glasses to be able to see things clear. and I had to go downstairs. I'm climbing down the stairs. At this point, I had to go back to just check that I left the house, in good order, like my gas and all of that. I was just having this intuition that I didn't turn off my gas properly or something was on the gas, and I had to go back to just confirm that I left the house in good condition. And yeah, I'm off to catch a ride to my workplace. So I finally boarded a bus to my workplace, though the distance from my house to my workplace isn't that far, but like I said, I needed to beat time. I was already running late, not like I was late, but if I had waste any other time, I would be late for work. So this is me, I'm already at work, just walking towards the gate to catch up. And finally I got towards the gate, and I'm supposed to put on my nose mask before entering through the gate, which I did. And yeah, finally I beat time. I got to work early, like I deserve an accolade. So thank you for watching. See you in my other video. Bye.